Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala Sayyidil Mursaleen wa Khatamin Nabiyyin. About prisoners of war. Ibn Wahib has narrated that the Holy Prophet ﷺ, after the bloodshed of the infidels in the battlefield, took 70 prisoners in the Battle of Badr. Ibn Qutbah wrote that Allah's Messenger ﷺ sentenced to death for 3 prisoners of the Battle of Badr. Uqba ibn Abi Mustama ibn Adi and Nazir ibn Haris was tied up and killed. Most of the prisoners of the Battle of the Badr were released with a ransom. The highest ransom taken from a single person was 4,000 dirhams. Some prisoners were released after teaching Muslims how to read and write. Ibn Wahib says that the reason for this was that the people of Madinah could not write well. The Holy Prophet ﷺ used to release prisoners who got taught 10 Muslims. The 70 people who were captured in Battle of Badr, Abu Amr ibn Abdullah al-Shami was also there. He gave an excuse to Allah's Messenger ﷺ for having many families and said that I said it out of duty to get something for them. Allah's Messenger ﷺ left him with a promise that he would not go out to fight against the Muslims in the future. But then he participated in the Battle of Uhud and he incited the polytheists to fight against Allah's Messenger ﷺ. He was the only prisoner who rested in the Battle of Uhud. It is narrated that he requested for kind favor. Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, a believer is not pierced twice by the same hole. Now it will not happen that you turn your hand over your face in Makkah and would say that I cheated Muhammad twice. So he was tied and beheaded. In Battle of Uhud, Abi bin Khalaf was struck by Allah's Messenger ﷺ with a spear. A spear was struck on his neck, causing him to bleed. He said that Allah's Messenger ﷺ killed me by Allah. The disbelievers of Quraysh said to him that your heart is being disappointed. He replied that Allah's Messenger ﷺ told me in Makkah that I will kill you. Now if he even spits on me, I will be killed by that too. He, the enemy of Allah, died on his way back to Makkah. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.